Supplier Exchange is a public cloud solution that is specifically targeted to the energy and engineering industries. Supplier Exchange provides a secure, collaborative space for project sponsors, asset owners, and engineering teams to simplify the distribution, review, and approval of transmittals and contract deliverables within their global network of suppliers and vendors. Supplier Exchange provides a solution to a challenge encountered by most engineering projects. And that challenge is basically as to how to best enable suppliers and vendors to provide documents to the project without giving those suppliers and vendors direct access to my engineering system of record, almost always a staple in large energy and engineering projects. As the product document control manager, typically I have a couple of solutions that I want to go ahead and answer. One is I do want my suppliers to be able to provide documents for upload, but I do not want to give them direct access to my system of record. This is typically for a number of reasons. Also, I want to minimize my staff's work in validating supplier documents. It's much better for me as a project to enable my suppliers and vendors to do much of the validation work. This is often a missing piece of the end-to-end solution, and it's one that Supplier Exchange fits the bill nicely for. Supplier Exchange provides a collaborative solution to allow for the exchange of documents between the following parties: the suppliers, partners, contracts, and customers that all interact within large engineering projects. Supplier Exchange is built to provide a solution for several tasks common to most energy and engineering projects. First of all, it helps to manage the deliverables and transmittals as they are exchanged between the project and suppliers. Second, the review and approval process for deliverables is handled within Supplier Exchange. And last, status updates and review notifications are provided to the relevant parties within the engineering project. One important factor to be aware of with Supplier Exchange is that it is not in itself designed to be a system of record. Supplier Exchange is designed to be the transitory location for deliverable documents as they are provided by third parties, but before they are ingested into the system of record. Once documents have been approved within Supplier Exchange, the content is then transferred into the ECM system for the engineering project. The end-to-end process often starts in Supplier Exchange, but then goes into the engineering ECM system to allow engineers to do full reviews of deliverable documents. The process typically starts with a supplier providing documents for submission. Those documents are then checked from a QA perspective within Supplier Exchange by project document controllers. Once they've been approved, at that point, deliverables are then ingested into the ECM system where engineers review and comment on documents, and a lead engineer typically consolidates those documents. Those documents are then bundled together into a transmittal and officially returned to the third parties via Supplier Exchange as transmittals. Acknowledgements are then recorded, and then they may be downloaded by the suppliers or contractors. Supplier Exchange provides an easy-to-navigate web interface to allow easy access to deliverables, documents, and transmittals relevant to the engineering project. Easy access to these documents will allow for the project to meet timely approval and review of those documents.